Hello guys, welcome to KKR's channel. Today we are going to show you a magic process determining solid surface quality, the baking process. For traditional production of solid surface, 90% of factories will solidify their products in a natural way, such as leaving the product in an open area and just letting the product cure through sunlight. At a normal temperature of around 25 degrees, the resin needs 24 hours for chemical reaction to reach a certain level and become hard. However, it may need another 10 to 20 days in the open area to solidify completely. You can know that such a process is leaving the quality decided by God. Due to the controllers of reaction, the product may still be soft in some hidden places, especially in the middle part. Also, it will still smell bad too, due to an incomplete reaction. Anyway, the sun helps this factory save a lot of money on fuel consumption. So, it is still a major method to solidify the solid surface product nowadays. For another 10% who are willing to supply more qualified products to customers, choose to use the baking process instead of natural formation. Baking is a technique that makes the solid surface more solid as well as eco-friendly, and it is the most important factor that impacts the solid surface raw material, resin. But the time consuming is much less, and the result is greatly more controllable when there is a baking process. It can speed up the reaction process, and when finished, the resin of the product is in a high stable state. Currently, 99% of factories who have baking process will apply it for 2 hours. And in KKR, we believe we are the only ones who insist 4 hours baking for 23 years. After tons of testing, we find 4 hours is the key magic time needed to get a complete reaction. Pure solid, odorless, and color-stable product. It's quite a high cost to maintain this standard, but our customers are mainly from big hotel groups, such as Marriott and Mandarin Oriental. Their customers are their gods, and we cannot fail them. Here is all about the baking process for solid surface products. Thanks for watching, guys! We will have more about solid surface video coming up. Be sure to subscribe. Leave us a comment below and we will get back to you soon. See you next time. Bye bye.